Day 4 of my recovery, and a bit of a step backwards today. Woke up feeling really weak, very tired. Woke up in the night again in tremendous pain, managed to control it with painkillers, that was fine. But now my leg has swollen up enormously. You can't even see my knee anymore, it's that bad. And the bruising has come out, so it's purple as well. It's a very pretty colour actually. I rang the hospital just to make sure that happens, you know, that it was normal, and they said yes, you could have a swollen leg for at least another 4 weeks. So that put my mind at rest, and then I've had to organise for some more oxycodone tablets to be picked up through my doctor. So oxycodone is a controlled drug basically. It's worth quite a lot, I think, on the street. Anyway, they only give you a few at a time because you could become very addicted to them, or you could sell them. Not that I'm going to, because I need them. Boy, do I need them. So I organised that today as well. I've been putting ice packs on my thigh and my knee to try and just adjust this. Well, try and take the swelling down a little bit. There's no way I could even fit any trousers on. It's that bad. And it feels really tight. Things I had to look out for was if the area got really hot, and I have to make sure that I don't get a temperature because that could indicate an infection. But apart from that, I still think, you know, I'm progress. My recovery is still ongoing. It's just I did quite a lot on my crutches yesterday. I wanted to keep moving, keep the blood flowing, keep the circulation going, and I just think I possibly overdid it. I think I'm rushing myself a little bit. I think you think, well, if I do more, I'll recover more, but actually that's not the case. You need to go slowly. You need to take your time, and you need to only do what you're told to do, and I have been so far. The strange thing about the swelling is it's worse now than when I came out of theatre. But, you know, having never had this kind of surgery before, I wouldn't know anything about that. So that's how it stands for now. So I will update you again soon. Bye bye.